It's easy to keep your iPhone or iPad up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. We'll walk through how to update your device wirelessly and how to update it using your computer. Before you start, make sure you back up your device, plug it into power, and connect to Wi-Fi. If you're using a Mac or Windows computer to update your device, you'll need a compatible cable. We'll start by showing you how to update your device wirelessly. When there's an update available, you might get a pop-up on screen, which you can tap to start the update process. Or a badge might appear on the Settings app icon on your home screen. To check for an update, open Settings. Tap General and tap Software Update. You might have the option to choose between two available updates. If you'd like to continue using the version of iOS or iPadOS that's currently on your device, you can still install important security updates for a period of time. Or you can upgrade to the latest version. You can tap Update Tonight if you want to wait until later, and your iPhone will update overnight while it is locked and the battery has enough charge. To update right away, tap Update Now. Then, enter your passcode and follow any additional prompts. Your iPhone will then begin the update process. When the update is complete, your iPhone will restart. Now we'll show you how to update your iPhone or iPad using your computer. Before starting the update, make sure your device is plugged into your computer and that your computer is connected to the internet. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open the Finder. If you're using a Mac with macOS Mojave or earlier, or a Windows computer, open iTunes. You might receive a notification when a new update is available, which you can click to start the update process. Otherwise, locate your device in the sidebar and make sure you're in the General tab. Next, click Update. Then click Update again and follow the prompts. Now you know how to keep your iPhone or iPad up to date and can enjoy all the latest features. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel.
By keeping your iPad up to date, you can get the most out of your device with the latest features and security enhancements. We'll show you how to update your iPad wirelessly and how to update it using a computer. Before you start, you should back up your device. If you're updating wirelessly, you'll need to plug your iPad into power and connect to Wi-Fi. If you're using a Mac or a Windows computer to update, you'll need a compatible cable. Let's start by showing you how to update your iPad wirelessly. When there's an update available, you might get an alert, which you can tap to start the update process. Or a badge might appear on the Settings app icon on your home screen. To check for an update, open Settings, tap General, and then tap Software Update. You might have the option to choose between two available updates. If you'd like to continue using your current version of iPadOS, there might be important security updates you can install for a period of time. Or you can upgrade to the latest version. You can tap Update Tonight if you want to wait until later, and your iPad will update overnight while it is locked and the battery has enough charge. To update right away, tap Update Now. Then enter your passcode. Follow any other prompts, which might include reviewing and accepting terms and conditions to continue. Your iPad will begin the update process, and when it's finished, your iPad will restart. Next, let's look at how you can update your iPad using a computer. Before starting the update, make sure your device is plugged into a computer and that the computer is connected to the internet. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open the Finder. If you're using a Mac with macOS Mojave or earlier, or a Windows computer, open iTunes. A notification might appear when an update is available. You can click it to start the update process. Otherwise, click your device in the sidebar on the left side of the Finder. Make sure you're in the General tab, and then click Update. Then, Click Update again and follow the prompts, which might include reviewing and accepting terms and conditions to continue. Your iPad will restart when it's done. And that's how you can get your iPad up to date with all the latest features and security enhancements. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to learn more about your iPad, or click another video to keep watching.